How to power off iPhone immediately. If you faced an issue with your iPhone's button trying to remember the right way to power it off, Apple iOS 18 has a solution for you in the form of a dedicated power button right in the control center. GadInsider's compiled a guide for you to have a better understanding of how to power off an iPhone easily and immediately. First off, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. Press and hold the power button in the top right corner. Now slide to power off when the shutdown screen appears. This dedicated button needs a deliberate press and hold gesture to prevent accidental shutdowns. Once used, your iPhone will lock automatically, requiring Face ID or Touch ID authentication when you turn it back on. Meanwhile, this new Control Center shortcut simplifies the process. You can still power off the iPhone using the physical buttons by together pressing either the volume buttons or the side button until the power off slider appears.